Hello and welcome back to channel Codex. My name is Afzal and you're watching MCU application series. So last tutorial we have seen how to draw a custom path like this, and in today's tutorial we'll see how to navigate this custom path to the next page with animation. So let's get started. Let's wrap our page. Let's give some title to our page. So let's say dashboard, and what we'll do, we'll wrap our container with the ink wheel, so we get some gesture like on tap, on press, like that. What we'll do, we'll write a simple navigation using a material route page, and we'll navigate to a detail page. So here we have to create a detail page as well. Let me just do it very quickly. Okay, let's create a stateful widget, that is detail page. We'll provide a basic scaffold structure with some titles, say for example detail page, and a body with a center tag, and we'll write a simple container with some color. Okay, let's see whether we are able to navigate to this detail page. And here you go, the simple navigation. And now we'll put the same decoration as a dashboard page inside our detail page. So when we navigate, we feel like the same path is reforming inside a detail page. Let's put the same gradient decoration, and now see. Perfect. It's a simple navigation. To add some animation, we'll use a hero tag. What it will do, it will transform this container shape when moving to the next page. So this shape will be transformed and it will convert to the next shape. So one important point over here, that hero should always have a unique tag. It may be integer, string, object, whatever it may be, but it has to be unique. For more details on hero animation, you can click on the card above or link in the description below. Okay, now let's check our animation. So our custom path is moving to the detail page, but there's a slide from right to left, which is a material slide. So instead of using material page route, we'll use our custom page builder. So that's what we are going to do in this next step. We'll remove this material page route, and instead we'll write a page route builder. So you can customize any behavior, navigation behavior with PageRouteBuilder, like duration, animation, in, out, curves, everything you can control. For now, we'll only use a page builder, which will give us a context, primary animation and secondary animation. And with that, we are going to navigate to detail page. With that, we reached to end of our tutorial. Now let's check how it's animating. And there's a nice transition between dashboard page and a detail page. In our next tutorial, we'll see how we are going to create something similar to this. So please support me by subscribing the channel, liking this video, and providing your valuable comment and feedback. I'll be creating more tutorials and series like this. So see you in the next one.